Huineng finds his way south, and as he is entering the monastery where he will teach and set up his school, he hears two monks arguing about a flag on a pole in the courtyard. Huineng asks them, "What are you arguing about?" The first monk says, "I am saying it is the flag that is moving, not the wind." And the second says, "It is the wind that is moving, not the flag." Huineng says, "It is not the wind that is moving, it is not the flag that is moving. It is your minds that are moving." According to both the Lankavatara and Diamond Sutras, all things are mind. And the mind in the first monk is focusing on the flag and dismissing the wind. The flag is a physical object. The wind is invisible motions. Physical, objectivish truth. Invisible, emotional, subjective truth. One and the same thing, depending on whether we are focusing on the objects away from the emotions or focusing on the emotions and the subjectivity away from the objects. You would have to have the tree falling in the forest with your ears in order for it to make a sound later, because nobody's there yet and we're not. All of which is necessary. The wind is an invisible force of air, like the mental or the emotional or the subjective, while the flag is a visible substance of earth, like the physical, such that the argument between the monks is like asking whether the mind or the world is the cause of things, which is a very Buddhist question. At the same time, all of this together is simply mind moving in ways, as we can sit back and patiently observe. The master of the monastery, hearing all of this, summons Huineng and asks him if he is the sixth patriarch who fled south. Huineng says he would not dare presume. You are too kind, sir, that I'm me. How dare you say such a thing? That's just too polite of you. The master bows and says, "What is the transmission of the teaching?" Huineng says, "There is no demonstration or transmission, as it is simply seeing nature, not a matter of meditation or liberation." Huineng famously taught, no permanence, no impermanence, no arrival, no departure, no exterior, no interior, no origination, no distinction.